Hello dear friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today's recipe is a side dish from South India. We are going to make beans Paruppu Usili. This is a very healthy dish and you can relish it with sambar rice, curd rice. It tastes really very good and healthy too because very little oil goes into it and minimal spices are used. So this can be made with any variety of beans. Today I'll be using French beans, but you can also make it with cluster beans, long beans, any variety. Here are the ingredients. I've taken French beans 250 grams, cut them into small pieces like this. You can use either French beans or cluster beans or long beans, any beans variety. And then we have taken chana dal half cup, soaked it for a couple of hours. 1 small piece of ginger, 1 green chilli, half teaspoon cumin seeds and little bit of salt to taste. These will be ground together to make a coarse mixture. For tempering, we have taken curry leaves, few, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, Asafoetida or hing, 2 to 3 pinches, little bit of salt for cooking beans, oil 2 tablespoons, lemon 1, we'll be using half of it. Ingredients list also can be seen in the description box. Now cut the ginger into small pieces, add it to the chana dal and same with the green chilli. If you wish you can add 2 green chillies, but 1 is quite sufficient. Add the salt and cumin seeds as well and transfer them into the mixer jar. You can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water and grind it to a coarse texture. Don't make it very smooth, it has to be like masala vada kind of texture. Now we are going to steam this mixture. I have taken water in a pan and placed a stand for steaming. Grease a thali or a dhokla plate. And spread the mixture into it. Spoon it into 3-4 smaller cakes. Flatten them so that they can be steamed easily. You can do this also in a idli cooker. Cover the lid and steam it until done. It takes about 7 or 8 minutes. They are quite firm and nice. You can check by inserting a toothpick or a fork or a tip of a knife. If it comes out clean, they are done. Let them cool and we have to crumble them after they are cooled enough. This is a very healthy side dish. The addition of this crumble adds to the taste. You can either crumble with hand or use a grater. Grater is easier, much easier. You get a nice and fine crumble. I'm not going to use the entire thing for the dish. I'll set aside half for some other dish. You can even make stuffed parathas with this, or you can freeze the remaining to use it later. Now in a pan, add some water and little salt to it. We are going to boil the beans. Give it a mix. Cook them until they are done. You can keep them slightly crunchy if you wish. Now drain out the water and heat little oil in a pan. Just enough for the tempering ingredients. Add the mustard seeds, Asafoetida and curry leaves. Give them a toss and let them crackle. Now add the boiled beans. Stir them together and saute a bit until the flavors are infused into the beans. Now add the crumble, dal crumble, as much as you like. I'm adding half of it. I always make double quantity. If you wish, you can make half portion for one use, single use. Then you can soak only quarter cup of dal. Give it a nice mix. Stir until the beans and the crumble are combined together very well. Now add little bit of turmeric powder for color. This I forgot to mention in the ingredients. You can see there's hardly any oil in this side dish. This is very, very healthy. It has got proteins, it has got vitamins from the veggies. Now cover and simmer it for half a minute or so. You can see how lovely it looks. Check the taste. You can adjust the salt if required. Finally, squeeze out lemon juice. Half a lemon would do, about 1 tablespoon. Give it a nice mix. It is ready. Your beans Paruppu Usili is ready. Enjoy it with dal chawal or sambar rice and rasam as a side dish. It pairs very well. So do give it a try. I'm sure you're going to love this healthy side dish. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives as well. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Have a nice day.